Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering up and preparing the gear. Hold the power button until the white LED blinks because pairing mode engages the radio so devices can see it. Once done, open Bluetooth on your source device and keep it close. You want a clean first handshake. Make sure the Sony Headphones Connect app is installed, since firmware and codec preferences, like LDAC versus AAC, live there and affect audio quality and stability for later steps. You now pair and refine settings to match your needs. Tap the WH model name in the Bluetooth list. If a PIN appears, use 0000, so the link completes. After connection, open the app to choose the codec. LDAC delivers higher fidelity if supported, AAC is better for iPhones, and SBC works universally. Next, personalize noise canceling and ambient sound levels for travel or office use, and set touch or button actions so controls feel natural when you start listening. Finish by verifying everything works. Play music, make a quick call, and inspect microphone clarity. Adjust device volume and the app equalizer if things sound off. If connection drops, first reboot the headphones and your source and make sure other paired devices are out of range, since multiple links can interfere. If problems persist, clear the Bluetooth list on both devices, and as a final step, perform the factory reset. This repairs corrupted settings, but remember you will need to repair after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.